topic for discussion? May I know kindly?
I think I told you you are not miss watch. See my message. I think so.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so the not an issue. Our topic is actually pollution. What your idea how to control pollution?
Pollution. Okay, fine. Very
Yes,
interesting topic, I must say. Thank you.
yes.
Yeah. So at first, I will know your opinion that how, what is the main source of pollution? Like, how our environment, what are the types of pollution are there? Like how environment is getting polluted day by day, and how we can prevent it. What are the steps are there to prevent all those
Mhm.
pollution? Fine. So I will start that. Do you know that how many, what are the types of pollution are there? Do you know?
Yes, I know that air pollution, noise pollutions, and water pollutions, and one more
Okay.
pollution I can't remember. Like a four pollution, four type of
Yeah,
noise
yeah,
pollution. I think
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So actually, what I want to control that pollution is the water pollutions and the air pollution because these two pollution it will be affect our health also and our body. So
Okay.
like. As you know for like a future development people are
Okay.
cutting the trees and lots of forest also so that will be create air pollutions most of the time so I want to control these things first of all and the second thing whenever we are going to like a sea beaches kind of place so whenever
Okay.
we go na that place we are just put it through that whatever the we are not putting in the dustbin some kind of
Okay.
we just put on that like a water so it will be like affect our water also so I just want to control this two thing is very important because these these two things we are like a drink and we get air so if we are control these two things so it will be helpful for our health that's my
Okay.
opinion what about you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Your opinion is absolutely fine. See, different types of pollution are there, like air pollution, water pollution, then noise pollution are there. Fine. So at first we will have to know that the source of this pollution. Fine. Let me tell you something. Like if I will go for that water pollution, fine. So how water is getting polluted? Fine. Is it natural or man-made? Fine. So according to my perspective, it's obvious it's a man-made. Now you will say how? Suppose see, suppose a lake is there or a pond is there. Fine. A small lake, small pond, whatever is there. So we can often see that our we the persons we are washing our clothes, we are washing our utensils, or we are taking some bath on the pond. Fine. So you know what, we are using uh, some soaps, some detergent to wash our regular clothes. Fine. So whatever the bad contaminants are coming out from the clothes, they are all getting mixed up with that water. That is also a method by which our water is getting polluted. Number one. Number two is that big industries are there. Fine. Like many such industries are there. Whenever industries are, they are making any such materials from the raw
Mm-hmm.
materials, they find, then you know what, a big pipe is there. Through that pipe they are simply, they are, they are lifting the waste garbage from that pipe, and that pipe from that industries directly they are disposing that waste material to the water bodies. That is
Yes.
another reason by which our water bodies are getting polluted. Fine. So according to my perspective is that, you know what, if we will not take our, in the rural areas, we can see that if we will not wash our clothes, our utensils in the pond, then only we can keep our water bodies completely fine. And after eating some food, if we will not throw any such plastic bags or anything, in the water
Hmm.
bodies. Fine. Then also we can keep our water bodies completely pollution free, because you know what, two types of water bodies are there. Number one is stagnant water bodies, and number two is free water body. Fine. Free water body means, in the free water body, the reservoir, they can clean them, they can easily clean, because the water is flowing continuously like a river or an ocean. Fine. They can clean them continuously. But in a stagnant water body, they can clean if we
Yes.
will, yeah, if we will dump any such garbage or any such waste product, then what will happen, this will only get stagnant in that water body, and from that plastic material only the entire water body will get polluted. Fine. So making of big industry in industries should be banned. And if industries will, and if there will be any such industries, so industries are not supposed to dispose any such waste material directly to that water body.
Yes.
They can dump, yeah, they can dump
They
their
can
waste.
purify also. They can
Yeah,
purify then after that
yeah,
dispose. Yes.
correct. They can purify it, or they can dump their waste material to the
Hmm.
dustbin also. Fine. Then
Yes.
yeah, then what will happen? Municipality person, they will carry out that dump, and they will throw it in their own respective places. Fine. This is what we call the water pollution. Second is that air pollution. Now, it's a very interesting that how air is getting polluted. Fine. You have any such idea regarding this air pollution? If I will ask you any idea, air pollution.
uh, like as I told you, the air pollution, something like in factories, lots of air
Correct.
smoking, all that things is going on
Yeah.
air. So our air is polluted. Is a one of the most important factor is a factory
Correct.
or
Correct.
polluted. So yes,
Yes,
I think
ma'am.
it's
That is the,
one.
yeah, that is the main thing. Like, see, two-wheeler, like any bike, any scooty, two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Fine. So you know what? Whenever we are riding any bike or any scooty or any such private car, like a car or a bus, whatever, then from the silencer, smoke is coming out, and it's getting above the sky, and it is getting mixed up with the air, and it's
Hmm.
polluting the entire environment, and as a result, what is happening, that living organisms like human beings, animals, birds, they are all getting affected by this, because we are taking breath, we are inhaling, we are taking that air, and it will harm our health. Number one is that. Number two is that, what, again, in the big factories are there, you know in big factories, uh, one pipe is there that we called as uh, uh, chimney. Fine. One,
Chimney, yes.
yeah, one chimney is there in the big factory. So whenever the company, they are making any such product, what's happening actually, they're releasing the smoke through that chimney, and this chimney, what that chimney is doing, this chimney is disposing that harmful gas in the atmosphere, and it's
Yes.
yeah, and it's reducing our ozone layer also. Fine. And it's
Yes.
harming the entire environment. So this is one major factor by which our environment is getting polluted. Fine. And as a result, what is happening, that if we will inhale the same thing,
Hmm.
then we will get ill or something like
Hmm.
this. This is the main thing, that have you seen that, what, whenever people or many boys and girls, they are riding the bike, scooty. Fine. It's very very much important to visit any BOC, like any petroleum agency, and to uh, survey your vehicle, so that your way, so that it's called that air pollution certificate. I mean,
Okay.
they will check that whatever the gas is coming from your
Hmm.
silencer, is that gas harming the atmosphere or not. Fine. So if
Okay.
that gas will harm the atmosphere, then they will clean the entire thing, and then, you know what will happen, and then they will make your vehicle completely pollution free. That is what we call pollution free certificate. Fine. If
Okay.
any, yeah, it's common in any state, not in Tripura. In Tripura, Assam, Bangalore, Bombay, everywhere is there. Fine. And the third one is that noise pollution. Fine. So now
Mhm.
you tell me, you have any such idea regarding this noise pollution? How is getting polluted noise?
I really don't know about the only the sound. I think music, some kind of thing, it
Okay.
will be
Okay.
created noise pollution. Like
Yeah.
in Mumbai, you can't like the sound after 12. After 11, it will be banned. If you're doing
Acha.
something, so police will take a legal action. So if you want to do so, you have to take a permission. Without permission, if so, it will be very
Okay.
strict for action. Yes. I don't know about the noise pollution. I think I love the like a noise, so I don't think so. It's a pollution. But yeah, it's a one of the pollution things.
Yeah. Um, uh, like a mic, huh? Like what?
Mm.
Is suppose what one program is going on in your area, fine, in your area, and one mic is there, and continuously from that mic sound is coming. That is what we call inaudible sound. Audible sound
Okay.
means what? Yeah, audible sound means what? We are listening that sound.
Listening properly.
Fine.
Comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah. And inaudible sound means what? If we will listen that sound, it will hamper our brain. It will hamper
Mm.
uh, uh, our ears also. Fine. So that is what happened. That um noise pollution. Fine. Noise pollution. It often happens. Like any such unnecessary sound coming from the mic or any such thing. Fine. So it will also affect our environment. It will also affect our health also. So I think that what, pollution comprises of three things like air, water, and noise pollution. Fine. So these three things should ban. Like how we will ban, if I will say, like um like servicing of your vehicle, whatever you are
Mm-hmm.
riding,
Mm-hmm.
like two wheeler, four-wheeler, fine, whatever you are riding, that
Mm-hmm.
thing should be and this will go for that sound pollution, and then for the air pollution. Fine. Like the smoke that is coming from your vehicle, or that is
Mm-hmm.
the big industries. Fine. So
Oh.
what, industry should stop making that type of product by which some harmful gases are coming out. They should keep in mind that if we will make that type of product, then the harmful gas will get mixed up to the environment, and as a result of which the full environment will get polluted. Number three is that the water pollution. Water, as I told, that we should not dump, we are not supposed to dump any such garbage on that water bodies. Fine. Dustbins are there in every streets, in every house, in every places. Dustbins are there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's far
Yes.
better, yeah, to dump our garbage in that dustbin, to make our city, our state completely pollution free. That's it. So what is your what is your opinion, that how we can control that pollution? May I know?
Okay, so by like air, I was telling before also, like we have to grow more and more tree. So whatever the smoke is coming from the factory and
Yeah.
other way, so they can observe. Because nowadays development of the lots of building and all that things, so they people are cutting the trees. So trees is
Exactly.
the most tree is help this kind of thing controlling like a air pollution. So we have to grow more and more
Correct.
trees so we can control. And about the water pollution, so we do not dump like all the garbage. We
Garbage.
actually we all are the educated, we are not uneducated kind of person
Yeah.
doing
Correct.
this kind
Correct.
of thing, because it's ultimately affect a human body. So I don't know why some people are have some kind of mentality to dump their things. So yes, only the two things. But I don't any problem with the noise pollution because I love the noise. So yes, so yeah, because of the some people have the health issue like no ears and all that. So yeah,
Yeah,
but I don't think more because yeah, sometimes it will be more like a DJ sound and all that. So who is
yeah,
like a patients of the heart kind of patient.
exactly,
So
exactly.
they people can't enjoy that environment. So we should have to take care of all that kind of people also.
Correct,
Yes. So
correct.
it's my only the simple
Yes,
opinion
right.
about the pollution. Yes.
Yeah, that is the main thing on there because you know what, unnecessary. You know what? If we will have a look on the overall ratio, then we can see that, you see, one is the planting, one plant, one is the afforestation, one is the deforestation. Fine. We will see, if we will have a look, then we can see that the amount of deforestation is far higher as compared to as afforestation. Means people are cutting trees without any reason, but instead they don't have any such mentality that if we will cut the trees, then there can be a scarcity also of that air pollution. Fine, but they are cutting the trees for that money purpose to sell the woods in other
Yes.
countries. Fine. Yeah, yeah, but they don't have any such issue. They won't have any such motive that okay, fine, I will cut one one plant one tree, but instead after that I will plant also one tree. Then what will happen if I will cut one tree, and at the same time if I will plant one plant over there, then what will happen, there will not be any scarcity of plant in our state or in our area. And as a result, what will happen, there will not be any such scarcity, any such lack of that air pollution. Because if any place, if we will be able to find that in that place there is a lack of plant, tree, whatever, then there will be a lack of that pollution, because we are getting the oxygen from that plant only. Fine, we are
Yes.
getting the oxygen from that plant only. So if we will cut the plant, obviously there will be air pollution. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Okay, Shan, I think we are discussing more about the topic, and I love whatever your suggestion and thoughts about the pollution.
Thank you.
It will be very nice and very good, and hope so.
Thank
We
you.
will be control something where we find things. So
Yeah,
because we have to
exactly,
start the initial, so we can say others. Otherwise, people are
exactly,
not listen your
exactly.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
Shan.
Thank you.
So next time we will meet and we can talk about the new
Yeah.
topic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Definitely. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Yeah. Good night.